Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today I am going to show you how to fix operation could not be completed error 0x00000005 while connecting with a shared printer. To fix this error, click on the start menu, type regedit. After appearing the registry editor, click on it. Click on yes. After opening the registry editor, double click on each key local machine software in Microsoft Windows NT current version Windows and Windows on the right side. Select all without default and right click on them. Click on delete. Click on yes. Now close the registry editor and restart the computer. After restarting the computer, hope your problem is solved. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe my channel. Also give a like please. Take care.